how to add your nickname on Messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your nickname on Messenger Lite. First thing, go to Messenger Lite and then click this settings icon in the top corner and go down. Here you will find account settings, click on it, and then personal information, name, and here you will find other names. Select a nickname, and as you see here you can add your nickname on Messenger Lite, and after you add it, just click this one here, save. And that's how to add your nickname on Messenger Lite, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.